Hey guys, today I'm installing this Keypad Deadbolt with voice prompt. This is a smart door lock that came with a lot of features. Also, the BULIST Keypad Deadbolt is designed to install very easy and program. It comes with all the necessary hardware and instructions, and you could typically install it with just a screwdriver. Overall, this Keypad Deadbolt is a great choice if you are looking for a secure and a convenient way to lock your front door. So as you could see, we have the manual came in the box, we have some screws, and we have the door lock. Yes, so you could put in a pin, you could set it up on your phone and put in a pin. Also you could use a key. Yes, that is the key. So yes guys, I will be installing this now and show you guys the finishing touch. So thank you guys for watching.